I'm the founder and owner of Boost Queens. Today I'm hosting our annual ladies drag racing event, and it's basically just to get all the little unicorns together to come and drag race and show everyone what we've got in South Africa. Today we at Midvaal Raceway. Midvaal Raceway is my home and it's my preferred track. It's just got a lack of vibe here, and you know, everyone knows everyone, we like family.
My name's Claire Vale. I've done a lot of racing, but I've never done any drag racing in my life before today. So it's very exciting to be here at Cash's Queen, or Ladies Drag Day, and I'm learning a lot. I'm having so much fun. This is Cinderella. She's a Subaru BRZ, which is very similar to a Toyota 86. Except the standard cars, the road cars, are all laterally aspirated. So she's got a turbocharger, which makes a huge difference, obviously, in how fast she is. She's not much like a road car anymore. Basically, most of the things are taken out. We kept the dash in because we were thinking we'd make a drift car, and you have to keep your dash in for drift cars. But other than that, she's pretty much, everything else has been taken out to make her as light as possible. The lighter she is, the faster she is. Even the windows, as you can see, we've gone to something called Lexan, which is much, much lighter. And if you have a look here, I can show you the turbo. It's a 2-litre Subaru Boxer motor, the same as the standard road cars, except we've obviously fitted a turbocharger. And it makes an enormous difference. It just makes the car so much faster than the standard car. But by keeping the original engine, we keep the beautiful handling. These cars handle like go-karts. So I'm very happy we kept the engine. We didn't go and change and put in a different engine, as a lot of people do.
My name is Alicia, and I'm a female car enthusiast, and I'm here to race today. Okay, so this is my Stage 3 Hybrid S3. It's 2015 model. I've done the upgraded steering. I love carbon. There's not much interior. I've got the aluminium seat for lightweight reduction. I've got cushions because I'm very, very short.
My name is Shantal. I am the driver of this ST200. I'm here to do my best time.
Goldbach has done a lot for us with Wolf Lubricants when it comes to getting it to its top performance.
Thank you guys for joining us and checking out all our ladies. If you want, catch us again next year. We're probably going to do more than one event, but Midvaal hosts a few events monthly, so come check it out.